how to mute Discord on your OBS. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel as well as consider tapping on that bell icon on. So let's go and head on, and I will show you on how to mute your Discord on the OBS. So this is a very easy tutorial for you. So make sure to stay on tune, and our first solution is to mute the desktop volume here or audio, but that would not only mute Discord but also mute the games that you want to play and record. So if you do this, your games that you want to record will have no audio, and I will show you how to do it to have the audio of your games. Go here in the sources and click on the plus icon, and here you will see this option called application audio capture. So in this you can choose which application you would capture the audio from, and in here make sure that your application is running and choose that application so that the audio from that will be recorded and not from the Discord. So I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.